All right, this weekend we're doing the Rice Creek Trail down to Jack's River. Staying the night and coming back.
We're still on the Rice Creek Trail. It's been a pretty flat trail. A little mostly down, starting from the trailhead. There have been a lot of crossings of this creek. I'm coming up to one right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn this off and cross this creek. Well, I made it to the other side, didn't fall in. Still on our way to make it down to our campsite. It's about 4.5 miles from the trailhead. It's a nice little camp. It's like we're gonna go right back across the river again. All right, I'll cut it back off again. Oh, we're still just walking along the Rice Trail. One of the few views you get most of the time you're down in the valley, going back and forth across that creek. Like I said, the trail, we just come up a little bit of elevation, kind of slightly going down now. I think we're heading down into where the Jack's River is. I'm with a group of 12 folks. Our lead person out on the front did just spot a bear, probably about a half mile back. So that was kind of interesting. That's a great little trail though. It's only 4.5 miles, not super strenuous, but enough to give you a good little workout. And I'm back. As you can see, it took me, my knees still are not 100% from the Appalachian Trail. They're doing a lot better. For probably 2 or 3 weeks after coming off of the AT, I had a problem walking up or downhill. Go ahead and cut this thing off. I'll film some more when we get down to the Jack's River. All right, so we've got to our campsite. Hung some lines for bear bags for tonight. And we were over here and I saw a couple snakes. Looks like they're wrestling, but I think they're mating. So they're just doing their thing. Yeah. Down there. Part of nature's pretty cool. It was about thigh high for me and very cold. We're heading over to see the falls on Jack River's trail. This is the Jack River. So we're heading out that direction right now. Alright, so the Jack's River Trail obviously parallels Jack's River. And after the river crossing, I think it's about a mile to get to the falls. But it's a really clear and pretty river that we're walking next to. Still a lot of items in the trail. Deadfalls that come down. You got to go over. This is definitely not maintained like the Appalachian Trail is maintained. Jack Rivers before you get to the falls. Still hiking along the trail, which is right there. Alright, we made it to the falls, as you can hear. Jack's River Falls. Look at that pool. If it was warmer, that'd be an awesome place to swim. Definitely worth the hike to get back in here. We just came from. Jack's Creek Falls. Beautiful spot. Gorgeous day for hiking.
So here I am sitting on the banks of the Jack River with the AOC, listen to some talented folks sing various songs. It's been freaking awesome so far. It's a beautiful night. They are calling for rain at some point today. It's a question on when it's going to get in. This has been awesome.